Yeah, just a quick, well, I suppose a little update of the fish room. Now it's coming along now. I literally tore it all down and started from scratch. So I've been literally flat out trying to get it all done over the weekend. The whole thing with the rack, I finally found one suitable. Can hold three 522s on it. I've got a 422 at the bottom and a dual 180 in the middle, and there's going to be another dual 180 from my bedroom down up onto the top. But I'm going to be moving the duals onto this rack here, which is a 1 metre rack which fits the duals perfectly. So I'm going to have the two dual 180s on that rack there, and on here I'm going to have a 422, and a dual 240 for, I can't remember the exact measurements, I think it's 428 but yeah, I'm a bit wary, or a bit dubious about having a 422 on the top, even though it's the size of a 522. I don't know. Yeah, I feel a bit wary about doing that. But yeah, the 240, you're talking, even with the tank, 300 kilos. So the 422s are a lot heavier than the dual tanks because of the thickness of the glass and all that, and the way that they're braced. But yeah, over I've been buying some new bits and bobs and that, because this is the Atromac tank. I took them out. They was in a 5-foot dual, divided with a pair of Cubans. But I took them out to spawn them again. So I've got them just on their own, this Freeble tank. I went out today and bought one of these Tidal 110s to hang on the back. It's the first hang on the back I've ever used, to be honest. I always thought they were pretty, well, I don't know, I've never had one, but just based on compared to other filters, I just thought they were pretty crap. But I must say I'm pretty impressed with this one. It was more a case of if I'm going to be running so many tanks, I know it is the cheapest option to run them all on sponge filters. I mean, I've got a couple of large sponges in there anyway, but this is only cycling on here. It's going to be not staying in this tank. But I'm really impressed with the amount of biomedia you can pack into these. I mean, now it's easily running them on its own. You do a dual 240, like a 418 or one of them sort of tanks. Just because of the simple fact it's 2,000 litres an hour turnover, and it will pretty much do that because there's no head pipe like with a canister filter, and they use something ridiculously low, I think like 10 watts of electric. So that's the main reason. Because now I've got I've got a reef tank and all that. It's the electric bills are coming in like astronomical for a little 2-bedroom place. I'm paying £125 a month. But yeah, so no, I'm not finished yet. I've still got there's going to be another rack going next to it, which is just going to be a little mild 3-foot rack's going to be there, which is just slightly smaller than this one. This clothes rail, which was doing a lot more than coats that used to do on the out. I've moved most of my stuff into the other room now, so that's going to be coming out of here. Yeah, there's going to be another rack, but it's going to be slightly smaller than this one. It's going to be just big enough to fit the 480 tanks on it. Maybe only 3 of them there. So I'll have the 6 4-foots. The 2 1 metre tanks are going to be there, the 2 dual 180s. And this one here is just going to be, once I'm getting rid of the Jag, that only literally came into my hands. I mean, I didn't go out looking for it. It literally came to me with other fish. So yeah, that's going to be getting moved on soon as. So once that's out of that, natural max will be going into there. So they'll have a bigger tank. They've got to be pushing 6-7 inch now. So yeah, they definitely need a bigger tank. That's I think that's a 125 here, but 125 litres. Obviously, here there's 29 gallons. I think in US gallons it's 33. It's 30 inches by, I don't know what the rest is, but I think it's like 30 by 15 by, no, 30 by 14 by 19 or something like that. But, I mean, I could even do a 3-foot rack there, but I still want to be able to use the window. But yeah, this is what I should have done from the start, because where my couch is now in here, where my missus is pregnant, this has now become my smoking room. So I come in here and just so really I'm just gonna have to get rid of this couch and get one of them, you know what I mean, sort of lazy boy armchairs or something, because as much as I like this, where it's leather, I literally stick to it because it's warm in it because of the tanks, and I don't actually need something this big in here. Not when I could fit a rack in here, so I have 3622s on it. So that's my next plan now, is to get the 6-foot rack here, move this one further so I can get my armchair in, and then that way I can still come in, have a smoke and that, watch me fish. She's happy. So yeah, quite pleased. These racks are like so cheap. I don't see why anyone bothers to even like make their own stands. And this cost me, I think, what was it, £65. And I could have 3 5-foots on it if I wanted to, but I just don't fancy chancing it. Although there is weighted to take that weight. I mean, that's a continuous permanent weight on there, so tomorrow go tidy up, cause the work, bits of polystyrene, stitching leads, like literally crap everywhere. But yeah, these tanks are shut down. I'll finish painting that on tomorrow. But yeah, coming on slowly but surely. But what else is there? I've got loads and loads more equipment, loads more. But I'll do another video tomorrow. It's getting a bit late now, so I'll call it a night. Cheers.